Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a manual build with GDevelop. First, you want to click on Publish, then on Build Manually. Now, since we're doing a desktop build, click Desktop at the top. You can now select a folder for your manual build and click Package. After a few seconds, it should be done. You should now copy the path to your build folder. With that out of the way, click the Windows key, then search for CMD. Now that you have your CMD open, you want to go to the build folder. To do so, you can simply type cd, then open a quote, use Ctrl V to paste in the build folder and close the quote. Use enter to confirm the command. Now you will need to type npm install. This is a command from Node.js. If you don't have Node.js, you will need to install it. npm is a package manager which will download all the necessary build tools. Now, to launch those build tools, type npm run build. This can take a little while. Personally, I like to drink a glass of water to stay hydrated while it is building. It's already over for me, but that's because I used a little bit of editing magic. As you might have read from the build output, this is a Windows setup file, but you can also do other types of build. For example, if you type -----w zip, it will build a zip build of your game. Again, I'm using editing magic to speed it up a little. Okay, so now we have done 2 Windows builds. Now it's also possible to make Mac and Linux builds with the L and M options, but those are not available on Windows, so we'll pass on those. You need to run those from a Mac or Linux machine for those to work. Now let's go find our build files. Type explorer dot to open the current folder from the CMD in the Explorer. And as you can see, there's a dist folder. Here there are some build artifacts that you don't need to care a lot about, but you can also find your setup file and your zip file. There is also a WinUnpacked folder. That folder contains the files inside of the zip file. You can use it to quickly try out your game, and as you can see, it's working. Manual builds are crucial for GDevelop. They are the guarantee that you will never be limited in your creativity. You can make one when the one-click service fails, when you run out of builds, or if you don't want to send your game to a cloud service at all. Either way, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not hesitate to send me feedback in comments. Well, I'm off now. Enjoy making games and stay creative. By the way, I try to make other fast-paced tutorials in the future. If you want to know more about me, I'm Arthur. I make THNK, a framework for making multiplayer games in GDevelop, and I generally contribute to GDevelop a lot. No, but you see, it's not plagiarism if I do the helper with the formula, but backwards, like I say the whole point of the video and present myself at the end. Oh shit, is the Mac still on?